Hello children, welcome to 9th Chemistry online classes. Chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules. In this chapter, in the last class we studied atomic mass, and we studied that the standard unit or the reference of atomic mass is carbon 12 isotope. And I told you that to learn the atomic masses of some elements. And we stopped that last class by the definition of an atom. Remember that atom is the smallest particle of an element, and most of the atom do not have an existence. Okay, so for getting the existence, they combine to form molecules or ions. There we stop. So today we will just see what are these molecules. I will just read it. Molecule. Molecule. A molecule is a group of various atoms that combines chemically with each other. So why they form molecule? Because atoms has no existence. Atom has no existence, so they combine to form molecule. So when they combine to form molecule, they get the existence. Okay, so that is molecule, definition of molecule. A molecule is a group of various atoms, sometimes two or more than two. Okay, the more than two atoms that combines chemically. That is important. The atoms combine chemically with each other. Now I just take two atoms. Actually, these are elements, but just consider this is an atom. Okay, and this here two atoms are there. Two atoms. So this one atom has no existence. So what they do? They combine with another atom. So they combine with another atom with a strong attraction or force. And here some force is there between. A force is there. So because of that force of attraction, they chemically combined with each other. Next point. Atoms of the same elements. So here just imagine that these two are hydrogen atom. So this is one hydrogen atom and this is the second hydrogen atom. So they have no existence when they are on one only, when they are alone. So they combine with each other. Now they have existence. So they are the same element. This also hydrogen, this also hydrogen. And sometimes they, for existence, they combine with another atom. So now I am taking another one. That is another thing. So this lemon. This lemon means that is the one atom of one element, and this is the tomato. That is for another atom. So they also combine with each other for the existence. Okay. So here you can see the picture also here. Yes, see that picture. Hydrogen. Here you can see the hydrogen. Two hydrogen atoms combine to form hydrogen molecule. And what is the next picture? Here one is different atom. So here like this. This is one different atom, and this is attached with two different things. Like this. Okay. Can you see this? Oh. So that is the thing. So for attaching or combined like this, they get the existence. So I am reading this one, listen. Therefore, a molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that can exist independently and shows all the properties of that substance. So the same definition you studied for atom, but that atom, what is the difference? Here, they cannot exist independently. That is the difference of atom. But molecule, same. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that can exist independently and shows all the properties of that substance. But when you are saying the definition for an atom, we are saying that like this: an atom is the smallest particle of a substance that cannot exist independently. They have no existence and shows all the properties of that substance. So an atom also shows all the properties, but they have no existence. So for getting existence, they combine with each other to form the molecule. Now that molecule has the existence or the stability. Got it, children? Next, molecules of elements. So now we take some examples. The molecules of an element are formed by combinations of similar types of atoms. For example, helium is made up of only one atom, while oxygen is made up of two atoms. So here you can see that this is the helium atom. So we already said that some majority of the atom has no existence, but some atom has existence. That is the one example, helium. Helium atom has the existence, and it can only one helium can existence. Only one atom has the existence, and helium is made up of only one atom, while oxygen is made up of two atoms. So here oxygen, this oxygen, one oxygen, it has no existence. So one oxygen chemically combined with another oxygen to form oxygen molecule. So you can clearly you can see the picture here. One oxygen atom chemically combined with another oxygen to form oxygen molecule. So that we can call it as O2. But here helium alone, one atom, and that one atom has the existence. Got it, children? Then next one, atomicity. The number of atoms in a molecule of an element is called its atomicity. Number of atoms in a molecule. So helium, this is helium atom and this is helium molecule, because already it has an existence. So helium atom has only one atom, so its atomicity is also 1. Okay, so very important things. Atomicity. Atomicity means, what is the definition? The number of atoms in a molecule of an element. Number of atoms in a molecule of an element is called atomicity. And here helium atomicity is 1, and it is called monoatomic. Mono means 1. So monoatomic means only one atom. So in this molecule, helium molecule, only one atom, so it is called monoatomic. And what about this oxygen molecule? Oxygen, two atoms chemically combine with each other, and the atomicity is 2. Two atoms are there. So oxygen is called diatomic. Di means 2. Diatomic. Carbon dioxide. So same way, it is a diatomic. Got it, children? So what is atomicity means? Number of atoms in a molecule of an element. Number of atoms in a molecule of an element is called atomicity. So read or learn the definition of atomicity and understand what is that thing. Atomicity means number of atoms in a molecule of an element. So helium atom, it has already existence, so only one atom, so that is why it is called monoatomic. And oxygen, only one oxygen atom has no existence, so oxygen atom chemically combined with another oxygen atom, so now it has existence, so we can call it as a molecule, and this is a diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. So oxygen is an example of diatomic molecule. Now monoatomic. Monoatomic means when an element comprises of a single atom. Example, all metals. We already studied that monoatomic means only one atom. Example, helium. And another kind of examples of monoatomic are iron. Iron is a metal. So already all metals shows monoatomic. They have the existence in this in one atom. Okay, so this is iron, and this is gold atom, and this is the copper atom. So here only one atom has the existence, and that kind of atom is called monoatomic. So I am reading once again. Monoatomic means when an element comprises of a single atom, or an element contain only one atom, it is called monoatomic. So that answer is in this word. Mono means one, one atom. One atom is called monoatomic. Example, all metals like iron, copper, gold, silver, sodium, these all have existence. And next is called diatomic. Diatomic means a molecule contains two atoms. So 2 is the atomicity of that kind of elements. Diatomic, I am reading, listen. When an element comprises of two atoms, that element have two atoms, we can call it as diatomic. Example, what is this? N. N is the symbol for nitrogen. Okay. So here two nitrogen atoms combine. So then only they get the existence. That is why they combine. So one nitrogen has no existence. So one nitrogen atom combined with another nitrogen atom to form diatomic molecule. And this is oxygen atom. One oxygen atom combined with another oxygen atom to form diatomic oxygen molecule. So we can call it as molecule. One is there, we can call it as atom, and if they combine, we can call it as molecule. So here one, what is this? Cl means chlorine. Okay, one chlorine atom has no existence. So one chlorine atom chemically combined with another chlorine atom, and they get the stability, or they have the existence, and we can call it as diatomic. So we can write it like this: N2, O2, Cl2. Okay. So these are diatomic molecules. These are the examples. Next is triatomic. Tri means three. Okay. Triatomic means an element comprises three atoms. Three atoms, it is called triatomic. Two atoms, it is called diatomic. One atom, it is called monoatomic. Example, ozone. You know that your ozone layer. Okay, that is the protective layer of atmosphere. So ozone means actually that is O3. O3. So one oxygen atom has no existence. So oxygen combined with three oxygen like this. Okay, one oxygen here combined with this like this. That is the chemically combined with each other, and that atom is called, or that molecule is called triatomic molecule, and example is ozone. Many other examples also there, but you have to study only this one, ozone. And next one, tetraatom. Tetra means four. Four atoms in an element. When an element comprises of comprises of four atoms, we can call it as tetraatomic, and example is phosphorus. It is P. P is the symbol for phosphorus. So four phosphorus atoms are joined with each other, chemically joined. That is called tetraatomic. And the next one is polyatomic. Polyatomic means when an element comprises of more than four atoms. More than four atoms, we can call it as polyatomic. So here example, sulfur. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. S8. S8. So it's a ring structure. Okay. So that is called polyatomic. So here in the sulfur, in this case, what is the atomicity? So in this molecule, how many atoms are there? 8 atoms. So what is the atomicity? 8. And in the case of phosphorus, For tetraatomic, here atomicity is 4 because here 4 atoms are there. And in the case of ozone, here 3 atoms are there. So atomicity is 3. So I hope all of you understand the concept of atomicity. Yes, children? Now we just see atomicity of some elements. Argon. Argon is a monoatomic element and its formula is Ar, or the symbol of argon is Ar, that is the formula Ar. And helium. Helium is also monoatomic and its formula is He. And I told you that metals all are monoatomic, like gold, Au, and Ag, silver, okay, iron, Fe. These all are monoatomic. Only one atom has the existence. And oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine, these all are diatomic molecules, O2, H2, N2, Cl2. Okay? And phosphorus, tetraatomic, that is P4, and sulfur, polyatomic, S8. So here you have to first learn what is atomicity. Atomicity means number of atoms of a molecule in an element. Okay, that is called number of atoms. That number of atoms is called atomicity. And one atom is there, we can call it as monoatomic. It is if it is 2, diatomic. If it is 3, triatomic. And if it is more than 4, we can call it as polyatomic. And if it is 4, we can call it as tetraatomic. Okay, so these are the things. Up to this you have to learn for your exam, and this part is very important. So all of you read the textbook, and before going to the textbook, first you watch the video, and at the same time open your textbook and underline the same underline the important part. Okay, children. So okay.